Hi kids, today we are going to learn about uses of water. Humans, plants and animals need water. All living beings need water for cleaning and mopping, for washing clothes, cooking, drinking, bathing, brushing teeth, washing hands, washing dishes, washing fruits and vegetables, swimming, for bathing pets, for drinking by pets, watering plants, washing our cars, for planting crops, farming, for factories, for making electricity, for animals in jungle, domestic animals, for birds. Water is precious. Do not waste water. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel.